Okay, guys, now this one we're talking about, we want to find the slope. But guys, if you look at this, we already know the slopes of these lines. This one on the left, that's a vertical line. You already know, and I've told you in the introduction, this is undefined. But we're going to find out why in just a second. Okay? Now, this one on the right, this has a zero slope. We know that because we watched the introduction. Those are things that we know. But Mr. C, you're going to tell us why. Yeah, I am going to tell you why. I'd like you to know why. Okay? So, let's look at the slope formula. Looking at this first one, A. Remember, slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And I always write my parentheses first, my little baskets that I'm going to drop my numbers into. Okay? And I'll do y1, I'll make 3 the first y and -1 the second y. And then I'll make 2 the first x and 2 the second x. Okay, they both have an x of 2. Well, yeah, that's right, it's a vertical line. That line's equation is x equals 2. And when I simplify this, I'm going to get 3 minus -1. Well, that means 3 plus 1. And I get 4. And then 2 minus 2 is 0. Oh, ooh, here come the math police. That is against the law. Bad. You can never, ever have 0 in the denominator. You can have it in the numerator, but not the denominator. When it's in the denominator, we say that it is undefined. There was no run. We had some rise, but we have no run there. Okay? Alright, so that's why that thing's undefined. Well, I'm sure you can tell where we're going with this and why this thing is 0. Alright, it's going to be 0 in the numerator. But let's see, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I've got my parentheses here, my little baskets for my numbers. And I'm going to drop them in. I'll make 3 from the one on the left. That's my first y, minus 3 from the one on the right. That's my second y. And so then I'll do 1 minus 4. And that's going to give me 0 over -3. Now guys, the answer to this question is not 0 over -3. The slope of this line is just 0. 0 over -3 is equal to 0. Just as the one in A is not 4 over 0, the answer to that question is undefined. That's what we say. Alright? Good job, guys.